Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a banner for your YouTube channel. So guys, the two things we are going to need is an editing app and a template. So the first thing we are going to need is an editing app. The app I'm using is known as Thumbnail Maker. The reason I'm using this app is because it's very simple to use, and I have some experience with this app because I was creating a lot of thumbnails and it's very easy to use. The second thing we are going to need is a template. So you can find templates on YouTube and Google. All you need to do is write on Google 2560 by 1440 pixel banners, and if you are searching on YouTube, then you have to write free banners for YouTube without text. So there are so many of these banners, you can choose the one you like. I will recommend you guys choose the one which doesn't have any text because it's very easy to edit them. So for example, I'm going to be using this one. It's just a simple banner, as you can see. To download it, all you have to do is just hold it, and there's going to be an option for download image, and it's going to download it. Then I'm going to go to the editing app. Then you have to click on create thumbnail, and as you can see there's an ad. Click close, and then we have to choose the picture from the gallery. Just click on gallery, and then this one, I'm going to choose this one. And then here you have to choose YouTube thumbnail 1280 by 720. So this is not the recommended format, but this is close enough, so I'm going to choose this one. So guys, now it's going to crop the image to fit into the resolution, and all you have to do is just on the right hand corner, just click on tick. And now the good thing about this app is you can edit the text, and you can also use some 3D logos, which is very nice and which is going to give a very personalized touch to your channel banner. So now I'm going to write my channel name. You can write your channel name. So I like to use capital letters because they look a little bit nice, but you can use small one if you like. And then you have to click OK. Then you have to make it to fit into the box. And then I'm going to choose some fonts. So you can try whichever font you like the best. There are so many different fonts you can choose. So I like this one. It looks very nice. It's look kind of different. You can also choose this one. And then you can choose the color if you want to change the color of it. There are so many color choices. You can try different colors. And you can also change the shadow. You can give the different shadow to the letters, which is nice. And also some other settings which you can do. You can resize them whatever you want. And the function I like the best is the 3D one. You can move them up and down like this, or rotate them like this, so they look very nice. So I'm going to do them a little bit because too much is not going to look very good. So I think just about enough is good. Of course, you can spend a lot of time here. You can try different things and different methods which are going to look which is going to make your banner look even more better. So right now I'm just trying to show you how to do it. So you can try so many other features. You can try different skins or different filters, and you can adjust the brightness, change the colors. And if you're having a background from Google Chrome or YouTube, you can also change the color of them. You won't be able to change the color, but by just changing the brightness and these kind of stuff, you can definitely change the color and look of them. Of course, it's going to take some time. You have to choose different things, and you have to know which one looks the best. And just I've told you, the ads are a big problem on this app. It shows so many ads. And you can also choose some stickers. Not only there are so many stickers, including coffee, cars, nature, if your channel is about cars or that kind of stuff. And you can also find some gaming and all that kind of stickers. There are so many of these. For example, these are some gaming stickers also. As you can see, it has some really nice cool logos which you can try. So guys, once you are done with the banner, once you are satisfied and it looks very nice, all you have to do is just click on this right icon, the download icon. Just click on it, and then it's going to tell you whether you want to save it to your photos or just save it to the app or exit. You need to save it to your photos. And then again it's showing ads. So ads is a big problem, but of course you can turn off the Wi-Fi and it's not going to show any ads, but you have to turn off the Wi-Fi before entering into the app. And once you are in the app and then you try to turn off the Wi-Fi, it won't work. It will still show ads. So guys, as you can see, here's the final product. And as you can see, it doesn't look very nice because I didn't spend a lot of time. So the more time you will spend, the more better it will look. You can try different filters, you can try different brightness, you can also try different shades. So it's all about time. The more time you will spend, the better it will be. So I've also tried another banner, which this one it looks a little bit nice, but it's about gaming, and as you can see it says Call of Duty. And I also found this background from Chrome. There are so many on Google and YouTube. You just have to write banners for YouTube free, and you are going to find so many of them. I will link some of them below if you want to choose from there. So guys, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.